authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas, United States. It will be in effect until ended by EAS termination message. There have been multiple reports of people being killed by mysterious entities coming from sources of light. There is no current explanation as to why. Turn off all lights, cover all windows, and shelter in place. Travel outside at night only. Don't travel in cars with headlights on, if you have to leave your home. Martial law has been put in effect. Stay tuned to your local news station for more details. Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning. This is a continuation of the previous alert. Scientists have discovered that the entities are interdimensional beings. Scientists are trying to communicate with the beings. Stay tuned to your local news channel for more details. The United States government has issued a global emergency message. The entities have been reportedly seen around the world breaking into houses and killing the people and pets inside. Evacuate to rural areas. Run. 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 Civil authorities have issued a EAS termination message. The entities said that we have 1 minute until our universe will be deleted. We will now sign off with the national anthem.